you? I've been waiting at the train station all day.
Who are you?
You didn't get the memo?
Just tell us what happened.
My parents died in a car accident 6 months ago, and then they said they found my dad's second cousin twice removed or something. And you were supposed to pick me up at the train station. Here's the letter from the state.
Again, I'm so sorry about the mix-up, folks. I have got egg on my face.
Oh, this is more than egg. This is a quiche. You quiched us.
So, she's staying?
Why does she have to stay here?
Because she's a child who needs us. Do I want another kid? No, I don't even want these two.
Dad's right. I vote she stays.
Yeah, me too. Because raising another child is expensive, and we'll have to make sacrifices, and the first thing to go will be that new car you wanted.
I changed my vote.